My advice on cryptocurrency. First, I'm not a financial advisor, but I have invested a lot of money on crypto and I've made some good profits. First, let's define what is cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is a form of digital asset that is distributed through a large network of computers. This decentralized structure allows them to work outside of the government and central authorities, which can be a good thing and a bad thing. My best advice on someone that wants to start learning on crypto is to learn about the subject. There is a dense sea of information out there about this, and just learning about one coin can be very exhausting. I started with free money from this app called Coinbase until I learned enough to invest from my own money. You might be wondering, what do you mean by free money? Well, this app Coinbase allows you to learn about cryptocurrency and they pay you for it. You take very quick lessons, like 4-minute lessons, and you take a very simple test at the end of the lesson. It's like 3 questions. It's very easy. And after you complete the lesson, they pay you with cryptocurrencies. Since it's free money, now you have cryptocurrency in your wallet. I used it to learn about the volatility of this market and to learn more about crypto, which can be, for me, the best way if you're a beginner. I'm going to leave a link in the description for you to download Coinbase. And if you download it through my link, you will get $10 that now you can use for whatever investment you want to try on in this crypto world. Have a good day. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.